Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this one, we're going to talk about another newly launched meme coin. It actually goes by the name of TRMGA. Now, that's a pretty, I would say, a unique symbol for a token, but it actually stands for something. That is Make Crypto Great Again. That is a slogan that has been used for the US, Make America Great Again, in the Trump's version. So, I'm pretty sure there will be some, what can I say, some controversies, some debates. Of course, there are spores for Trump, some spores for Joe Biden. And actually, this is a very well timed video that I'm making because in about like 19 hours ago, there was the presidential campaign between Trump and Biden, and it was actually pretty great, entertaining, I would say, which is not something that you can call entertaining because it's a very serious matter. But for some reason, it was actually very entertaining. So this project, this token is very well positioned because right now this topic is trending, and we know how that replicates in terms of price movement. If a topic is becoming relevant and it is trending, it increases the exposure to the token, which leads to more investors, more holders, more people buying into it because they think that because that particular topic is trending and is currently relevant, the price is going to skyrocket. And because they're thinking so and they're investing, that actually result in the an increase of the price of particular coin. And that, I think, is actually what's going to happen because this topic is going to stay trending for the weeks to come. So this is where I see the potential for this, but it has much more potential regardless of whether it is currently relevant or trending. So that is what we're going to find out in this video. Make sure that you watch till the end. As always, this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. There is a pre-sale coming, but I'm not suggesting that you guys take part in it. Of course, if you're interested in it, you can, but I'm not suggesting that you do. This is purely for educational purpose. So make sure that you keep it at that. And if you want to invest into it, do your own investigation research. I'll give you guys all the links. I'll be in the description, so that will help you guys out in carrying out your own research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. This is the official website of Make Crypto Great Again. The T in the start is actually for Trump, I think, if I'm not entirely wrong. The first widget that we see here is for the pre-sale, which is, for me, it's starting in 2 days and 11 hours. So I think by the time that the video is going to be live, you will have maybe 2 days left it or 1 day left it. So it'll be opening up pretty soon. The current price you'll be getting in the pre-sale, that will be $0.0003 per one TRMGA token, which of course is you're getting it at a discount right now. That won't be the listing price. It will be much more from what you're getting right now. You can either use Ethereum or USDT to get this, and you can easily connect your wallet, make sure that you have Ethereum or USDT into it, and you can swap it to get these tokens. And of course, when it is listed, you're going to receive those tokens. It says global make crypto great again movement on the blockchain. TRMGA is the only active cryptocurrency donating to support blockchain education and protect children. Hence, the more people we educate about blockchain, the better it is for the entire blockchain industry globally. It says sport TRMGA non-profit educational meme coin with love. That is the complete description of this project, of this token, which is not really complicated. It's not really difficult. Let's get down to the tokenomics. So in total, we have a supply of 6.8 billion. There's 1% tax on buys, sells, transfers for marketing, development, donations, and liquidity. And it says donated to blockchain education. This is currently pending. Donated to Save the Children. Of course, these are the things that are going to happen afterwards when the pre-sale is over and the token is listed, and they have raised some amount to support the development of this project, and also have some to donate to charities. Now, these are their charity partners, Blockchain Education Network, and also Save the Children. So these are the two causes that they are donating to. The pending Ethereum in total donations. So this is the distribution that we have for the complete allocation. 20% for pre-sale, that is up for sale. 6% for reserve fund. 10% team. 10% development. 18% user reward and loyalty. 18% marketing and community building, and 18% strategic partnerships and ecosystem. And we also have these different stages for the pre-sale. We already know the mechanism that is applied in pre-sales. The quicker you get into it, the more discount you are going to get. So we are going to have 5 stages in total. The token price in the stage 1, which currently is going to go live, you're going to get 0.003. Then in the next one, you're going to get 0.005. And then, it's going to end up with the official price of 0.001. Now, there are a lot of publications for it. There's actually, I cannot keep a track on the amount of publications, but I think there's been more than 15 to 20 publications that I've been able to find myself. So there's a lot of articles that are being published on this token, on this project. And you can, of course, give it a read in any platform that you want. There are a lot of renowned news outlets that are publishing about this coin. So you're, most welcome to read this. But this means that, it is getting a lot of exposure from all these publications and a lot of influencers talking about it. So it will definitely result in the pre-sale getting sold out. That will be the ideal situation. And then when the token is listed, of course, the price is going to be much higher than what you're getting right now. And from there, it's going to take off. It'll be completely up to the market at that point. And if the altcoin season starts, I think we're going to receive huge gains from this. But like I said, this is not an investment or a financial advice. So make sure that you do your own investigation and research, and make sure that you time your entry and exit in any cryptocurrency. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.